In today's fiercely competitive business landscape, enterprises are continuously seeking avenues to optimize operations and maximize profitability. Two powerful systems, SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, and SAP, systems, applications and products in data processing, hold the key to unlocking unprecedented levels of efficiency and informed decision-making. This essay delves into the intricacies of integrating these systems, highlighting the profound benefits and addressing the challenges that organizations may encounter. SCADA, residing at the operational level, acts as the nervous system of industrial processes, capturing real-time data from sensors and machines. On the other hand, SAP serves as the brain of an organization managing critical business functions like finance, supply chain, and customer relationship management. Integrating these seemingly disparate systems bridges the gap between operational insights and business decisions, paving the way for a more connected and agile enterprise. The convergence of SCADA and SAP represents a paradigm shift in how businesses operate, enabling a seamless flow of information from the shop floor to the top floor. This integration empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions, streamline processes, and optimize resource allocation, ultimately leading to enhanced productivity and profitability. However, the path to successful integration is not without its hurdles. Organizations must carefully navigate challenges related to data compatibility, security risks, and real-time data processing complexities. By understanding and addressing these challenges head-on, businesses can fully harness the transformative potential of SCADA and SAP integration. At the heart of industrial automation lies SCADA, a system designed to monitor and control complex processes in real time. Imagine a network of sensors spread across a manufacturing plant, constantly collecting data on temperature, pressure, flow rates, and other critical parameters. This data, often vast and complex, is then transmitted to a central SCADA system, providing operators with a comprehensive view of the entire operation. SCADA systems excel in environments where continuous monitoring and control are paramount. From power grids and water treatment facilities to oil refineries and manufacturing plants, SCADA plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth and efficient operations. By providing real-time visibility into process parameters, SCADA enables operators to detect anomalies, prevent potential issues, and make informed decisions to optimize performance. The true power of SCADA lies in its ability to not only monitor but also control industrial processes. Operators can remotely adjust set points, start or stop equipment, and implement corrective actions, all from a centralized location. This level of control empowers organizations to maintain optimal operating conditions, minimize downtime, and ensure the safety of personnel and equipment. In essence, SCADA acts as the vigilant guardian of industrial operations, constantly monitoring and adjusting to keep processes running smoothly and efficiently. While SCADA excels in the realm of real-time operational control, SAP reigns supreme in managing the intricate web of business processes that drive an organization. From finance and accounting to human resources and supply chain management, SAP software provides a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline and integrate critical business functions. At its core, SAP acts as a centralized repository for all business-critical data, providing a unified view of an organization's operations. This data-driven approach empowers businesses to make informed decisions, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall efficiency. By integrating disparate business functions, SAP breaks down silos and fosters collaboration, leading to improved communication and faster decision-making. One of SAP's key strengths lies in its ability to automate and streamline complex business processes. From order processing and inventory management to financial reporting and customer relationship management, SAP automates repetitive tasks, reduces manual errors, and frees up valuable human resources to focus on more strategic initiatives. This automation not only improves efficiency but also enhances accuracy and consistency across all business operations. In essence, SAP serves as the intelligent backbone of an organization, providing the structure, tools, and insights needed to manage complex business processes effectively and drive sustainable growth.